Having a shower is one of life's simple pleasures. It can invigorate you at the start of the day or relax you at the end of it. But showering can be a challenge for someone who can no longer manage on their own. They may need support due to physical limitations or cognitive decline. Altura Learning's Assisting a Person to Shower is a step-by-step course that looks at the complete showering process, from preparation and cleaning through to dressing and grooming. We look at the importance of your role in encouraging independence and promoting dignity. Assisting a Person to Shower on Altura Learning.